Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do from Amazon. See what's inside the package. This was one of the guess what's in the box / bag videos. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Peace. Hey everybody, so we're gonna just do a quick unboxing / bagging. It'll rip it a little of the eye. It's a single socket rail. It's a single 3/8 yellow. Such big bags for this, but it's alright. I'll keep the bag. Will help me out because then I won't have to buy a bag or anything when I ship something. Part number on this guy is the same as the rest. Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 38 Yankee Estridge. ALSR 38. The 38 stands for 3/8 drive. And YE stands for yellow. Looks like there's a sticker in here as well. And yes, I've gone on a binge on buying socket rails. I'm trying to reorganize my entire box because I've got several more sockets to put in. I got 62 sockets to put in, plus another probably 50 or 60 sockets that I need to put in. Came with another sticker. 3/8 usually comes with, I think, 16. $18. 16 is the 1/2 inch, 18 is the 3/8, and 24 is the 1/4 inch. And I think you get 10 for the 3/4 inch, if I remember correctly. They're nice rails. A lot of these, I've only had 2 issues with 2 rails out of all the rails I bought. And one was more of a curiosity that if the colors were supposed to be different. You know, I got 5 orange and 2 orange were the same color, then the other 3 were 3 different shades of orange. Other than that, the only other problem I've actually had, which is actually a problem, is I had a damaged rail with a missing cap, no cap, even though it was sealed. Didn't have a sticker or anything like that. But the rest of the rails I've bought, out of the 50-something rails I've bought, no issues. 15 or so, 17, I think 17 of them are already in the toolbox. But I do love these Olsa tool rails. I do like that you can get them in multiple colors. My favorite colors are actually the green and the orange. And the purple. Those are my favorite colors out of all of them. I do like the yellow, and I like the red. The red is more of a pink. Like a light kind of fuchsia pink. Maybe kind of a darker pink. Especially when it glistens under the light like this one. And when it glistens, it's still yellow. But here's like a red one right here. I'll show you guys. This one is a red one. From far away and on the side, it looks fine. It actually, in person, looks like a red from the side, from far away. But when you get closer, and the light shines on it, kind of looks more of a pink color. Let me bring the light closer. There you go. Kind of looks like a pinkish purple color. You can see it glisten pink. But, you know, that's the problem with red. It's not Olsa Tools' fault. Aluminum and red, it's very hard to get aluminum or red to mix. Even with regular house paint, Behr paint, same thing. In order to get a really dark red, it's got to be like a dark pink color in the can. When you put it on the wood and the wood soaks it in, it turns red after it dries. But Aluminum's not easy. You know, not all aluminum is the same. It's not created equal. So you can have 5 different batches of, you know, you got the aluminum from the same source, but 2 of those batches, the aluminum didn't take the color like the other batches. It's just how it is. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, though. This probably will be my last Olsa tool rails haul for a little while, unless I need to buy some more. And if I buy some more, I'm not gonna do any more videos on them unless I'm doing a socket drawer update, or there's something that I found that's useful. I do like these rails because you can take the caps off. You can buy more of these. You can buy quarter, 3/8, half-inch, and 3/4 clips in 24 packs and 10 packs. You can also get them in green, but you can only get them in green in a 10 pack. But what I like about these rails is you can do that. If you guys wanted to put these in a tool bag and you wanted to fit a crap ton more sockets on this rail, what you could do is put twice as many clips on it. So 16 on this side and then 16 on this side. You could do that and then just put, you know, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one back and forth all the way down the socket rail. You probably fit like 20 and 20. So you basically have your sockets laying like this in a bag. So socket, 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 back and forth like that. That's another nice feature I like about these, and I like that you can bolt these down. That's a nice feature as well. They're very nice socket rails. They're very well made. Olsa Tools covers them. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As well as go to the top of the description down below. I have an Olsa Tools link. Same as this right here, Olsa Tools. With my initials at the end of it. You click on that link, you can get 10% off anything you order. You order multiple items, it's 10% off your order at olsatools.com. And what's also nice about that link is if you use that link, it also kicks me back 10% on my next order from Olsa Tools. If you guys need to buy anything, click on the link below and get a little discount on whatever you're purchasing. I hope it helps. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please, no. Peace.